We need air, water, and a home to live in, and we cannot live without these things. But with the advancement in technology, I will add one more thing in it, without which we cannot live our lives in today's world. And that thing is electricity. Even your life is incomplete without electricity. You cannot study at night if you are a student. You cannot work on your laptop. You cannot watch your favorite television show. Your mobile suddenly gets switched off due to the battery's end. The situation is worse if it is the summer season. Your air conditioner ultimately switches off, and you pray to get the electricity back. We all undergo this condition when there is a power cut in our home. And you know the best solution for power cuts is to get a high-quality inverter. Hello friends, welcome back, and here you will get very useful and informative videos on different kinds of new and innovative electrical products. You are watching Finisol YouTube channel, and today I will tell you about the best premium super inverter in India of until this year 2022. Now choosing an inverter is fairly easy. To check the total power requirement in the house or office, for example, if you have one fan of 80 watts, two lights of 30 watts each totaling 60 watts and computer of 200 watts, then total power requirement is around 340 watts. Now divide this by power factor. Power factor is nothing but the ratio of power required by equipments to the power supplied by the inverter. The average power factor of inverters is 0.7 or 0.8. So, this will give us the VI of the required inverter. VI is the voltage in ampere given by the inverter to the appliances. VI is equal to total required power divided by power factor. So, in this example VI is 340 watts divided by 0.7, which comes to 485 VI. It is advised to take a sine wave inverter with about 25% or greater VI for better operation results. This is because inverter efficiency and jerk load takes away the extra power while it is operating. The super inverter here with me is the Luminous Icruz 4000, which has the VI of about 4000 VI. First, I brief you about the specifications of the Luminous Icruz 4000, then describe about the technology it works on. Followed by this, I will provide the pros and cons of the inverter and similar or comparable products available in the market. You can buy this inverter or check the similar inverter types from the links in the description. Make sure to check them. Also, don't forget to subscribe as well or join as channel member. Luminous Icruz 4000 is the most efficient inverter with unmatched performance, with 3,500 VA capacity, with peak load of 3,200 watts. It is also ideal for offices, residences, and commercial purposes. First, we will discuss in detail the specifications of the Luminous Icruz inverter. Brand: Luminous. Model name: Icruz. Color: blue. Included components: 1 inverter. Item dimensions is 30 by 41.7 by 45.2 centimeters. Type: sine wave inverter. Capacity: 3,500 VI. Bulb load: 2,350 W. Supports up to 3 batteries, 24-month warranty. Peak load is 3,200 watts. Category type of this inverter is home UPS inverter. HKVA. Output is pure sine wave. No of batteries required. Would be 3 batteries of 12 V each. Luminous comes in the category of the leading brands in India 2022. In this video, I will tell you in detail about this super efficient, high quality and cost-effective inverter in India. I will give you accurate details about this premium quality super inverter, and if you click on the link in this video, it will help us greatly. But before clicking on the link provided, ensure you have all the necessary information about the battery and the inverter. Our primary purpose is to provide all the required information about these things, so that you can easily purchase the product. There are 2 types of inverters available in the market: sine wave inverter and square wave inverters. But you have to go with the sine wave inverters, because they come up with the latest technology. You can use all types of appliances with the help of sine wave inverters, such as fans, lights, refrigerators, etc. You will be surprised to know that sine wave inverters produce less noise and soon switch on without any delay. So the most outstanding feature of the Luminous Icruz 4000 Best Premium Super Inverter is that it is also a sine wave inverter. On the other side, square wave inverters are generally used to support the motor alone. They do not have the capability to handle heavy loads of appliances. This is why they are less reliable and unsafe to use for appliances. In terms of voltage, there are 2 types of inverters available in the market. One is 12 volts, and the other is 24 volts. You can incorporate 1 battery in a 12-volt inverter, but exceptionally, you can connect two batteries simultaneously in a 24-volt inverter. You can see the longer duration power backup in a 24-volt inverter. So, if you have a power cut for a more extended period, you should go for a 24-volt inverter. And if there is a power cut for 2 to 4 hours, then a 12-volt inverter is enough for you. But you know this is India, and there is usually a power cut for longer durations of 6 to 8 hours. So definitely, you have to purchase the 24-volt inverter. And now, I will tell you another important thing about the inverter. You should attach tubular batteries to your inverter. Now, first of all, I will tell you what tubular batteries are. Tubular batteries are suitable for use when there is a longer duration power cut. Although they are big and heavy, you will get a longer duration power backup. They are easier to maintain and are very efficient. And again, you will be surprised to know that the Luminous ICRUS 4000 Best Premium Super Inverter comes with tubular batteries. Isn't it amazing that the inverter I am talking about is equipped with both qualities? It is a sine wave inverter and also has tubular batteries in it. We all know very well that for many years, we have been dependent on generators for power backup. But now with the advancement in technology in recent years, inverters have emerged. They are now known as the new and powerful source of power backup. The primary function of the inverter is to convert the direct current output into an alternating current output. If we talk about the Luminous ICRUS 4000 Best Premium Super Inverter, it is the best one. So if you want the best inverter for home use, this is the most efficient and durable inverter available. I also discussed earlier it is a super premium inverter that can run various high-capacity loads, such as geysers, water pumps, washing machines, deep freezers, etc. It can be possible due to the excellent design, connectivity, and state-of-the-art technology. The bulb load capacity is 2350 watts. As I also discussed earlier, a good inverter must have the capability of attaching 2 batteries with it. Still, it is just an amazing product that supports 3 batteries simultaneously. If we talk about its warranty, it gives you a 24-month warranty, which ensures that it is a high-quality and efficient inverter available in the market of India. It also comes up with the bypass switch, which supplies the output directly from the grid. In the case of a fault in the inverter, you will definitely like its user-friendly LCD. The display will give out all the details and status of the battery, charging time, backup time, fault indications, percentage load running on the inverter, and much more. Also, with the user-friendly LCD, you can easily control the buttons. Due to the compact design, you can place the inverter anywhere in your home. Although it has a compact design, it still ranks higher due to improved efficiency and load handling. Most surprisingly, this smart inverter is made according to modern technology, having the option of GSM, Wi-Fi, connectivity, and an Android iOS app. This also gives you an intelligent battery charging algorithm, which optimizes the charging current, depending on the battery capacity. Also, if there is a fault in an inverter, it easily bypasses the device and allows the mains to be available without any wiring changes. The charging time of this gadget is super fast. It has a maximum charging current of 21 amperes for faster battery charging. Now, if we talk about its battery, it is super efficient with tubular batteries, but it is compatible with all battery types, including tubular, SMF, and flat plate batteries. The range of battery ranges from 80 Ah to 220 Ah. Ensure that the inverter you purchase is equipped with pure sine wave technology. The main function of pure sine wave technology is that it protects the appliances and increases their life. The same is the case with the Luminous ICRUS inverter, because it comes up with pure sine wave technology, which saves all the appliances and increases their life. It is a home UPS inverter with pure sine wave output, where you can connect 3 batteries of 12 volts each. It is an amazing super inverter for offices, homes, and shops. Its peak load is 3200 watts, and its output voltage is 220 volts in inverter mode, as it is equipped with pure sine wave output, ensuring that all your appliances are safe. If you are using the appliances on the inverter, this is the best thing about these types of appliances. According to modern technology now, this gadget can be converted into a smart inverter. So Luminous ICRUS can easily be converted into a small inverter when we connect an external Luminous Connect dongle, Wi-Fi GSM. Then we can get the inverter statistics on the mobile app. User settable controls. Now you can control your inverter with the help of user settable controls. It comes up with the mode selection, where you can select the Eco Motor UPS mode. You can also control the battery type and capacity, and no load shutdown prevention through control buttons. Remember that these control buttons are on the front panel, as shown in the picture. Whenever we talk about inverters, we always think of their protection from avoiding any kind of accident. It gives you AC/MCB, DC, and bypass switch protection. It also gives you no load shutdown, over temperature, short circuit, and overload protection. Whenever we talk about any electrical appliance, the warranty always comes first, and we should first emphasize inquiring about its warranty. Remember that a product's warranty ensures that it is a high-quality and reliable product. This is the main reason Luminous ICRU's Super Inverter comes up with 2-year of warranty on manufacturing defects. After unpacking the box, you will get 1-unit inverter and a warranty card. Remember that batteries are not included in the packaging, and you must purchase them yourself. It also comes up with an intelligent 32-bit DSP processor and protects you against input AC and MCB. If we talk about the charging time, it gives you quick charging, so that it is always available when there is a power cut. It is an intelligent power solution for homes with Wi-Fi and GSM connectivity. The best thing about the sine wave inverter is that it works with noiseless operations, with the help of low harmonic distortion. We have discussed all the important and useful features of the Luminous ICRU's 4000 Premium Super Inverter. We will talk about all its features again in the form of pros. Let's have a close look at all these features. Pros of Luminous ICRU's 4000 Best Premium Super Inverter. First of all, it is a sine wave inverter. It is a tall and compact inverter with a tall tubular battery. It comes up with a 3500 VI capacity. It provides a 2-year warranty. Luminous ICRUs can support 3 batteries at the same time. The device has a bypass switch for supplying output directly from the grid in case of an inverter fault. It comes up with an intelligent 32-bit DSP processor. It can be used in homes and is also recommended for professional use. With a user-friendly LCD display, you can understand the status of the main availability, battery status, and backup time. It can easily run more loads on fewer batteries. ICRU is safe to use. It can easily be converted to a smart inverter by connecting to Wi-Fi or GSM, so you can get the inverter statistics on the mobile app. The inverter supports all types of batteries, including tubular, flat plate, and SMF. These are the astonishing features of Luminous ICRU's 4000 Best Premium Super Inverter. I hope you like my video, because it gives you detailed information about India's best premium super inverter. You will find links in the description if you are interested in purchasing. Till then, happy shopping!